We're ready to go, right?
He's on Zoom.
Your Honor, we're here, Your Honor. He's in my office, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. So, Mr. Arellano, will you please raise your right hand and be sworn, sir? And Nancy, I'll do it since it's your microphone's not.
Do you solemnly swear the testimony that you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
I do.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. All right, this is cause number 659-775 and 659-776, the state of Texas versus Gilbert Arellano. Counsel, please make your announcements.
Rick Hostis for the state.
Adam Flores for the defense, Your Honor.
All right, so are you Gilbert Arellano?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
In cause number 659-775, you've been charged with the offense of failure to give notice, strike unattended, I'm guessing that's vehicle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
All right, and that's listed as a Class B misdemeanor. The range of punishment for that is up to 180 days in Bexar County Jail and or a fine up to $2,000. You see that on the screen, Mr. Arellano?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and in cause number 659-776, you've been charged with failure to stop and give information over $2,
It's over 200.
over 200. All right. The range of punishment for that, Mr. Arellano, is up to 180 days in Bexar County Jail and or a fine up to $2,000, a Class B, just as in the other case. You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And you are looking at those two documents on the screen, which are entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you've had a chance to review those with your attorney. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understood everything that was in there, or you had an opportunity to have your attorney explain things to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we're going to go to page 2 of each of those documents where it says defendant's signature. Did you sign each of those?
Yes, ma'am, I sure did.
Do you understand that by signing those documents, you're waiving your right to a jury trial, your right to remain silent, as well as all those other rights listed on those documents?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have an agreement with the state in each of these cases, and I follow those agreements, and later you change your mind, you want to take back your plea, you would need my permission to do that, but I do not have to give that permission. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
If I assess a punishment in each case harsher than what you have agreed to, then you can take back your plea and nothing you've said or signed for today's hearing can be used against you. All right. Furthermore, and you are pleading guilty on each of these, so it really is not relevant. But if you had pled no contest, then I could still find you guilty in both of these cases. You understand that, right?
Yeah.
So, Mr. Flores, have you had an opportunity to discuss a charge with Mr. Arellano?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
In your opinion, does Mr. Arellano have a factual as well as a rational understanding of the charges?
Yes, Your Honor, he does.
And has he been able to assist you in his defense in both cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
I will approve the waiver in each of these cases. Is there an agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor. The agreement is for a $0 fine plus court costs. Both cases will run concurrently. 1 day in Bexar County Jail with credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently, and defendant to pay restitution to both complainants, which he has done. So the state would recommend judgment satisfied.
All right, so Mr. Arellano, in cause number 659-775, failure to give notice of strike unattended vehicle as a Class B misdemeanor, how do you plead, sir?
Guilty.
And in cause number 659-776, failure to stop and give information over $200 as a Class B misdemeanor, how do you plead there, sir?
Guilty.
Is anybody forcing you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
I will accept your plea in both of these cases. I am going to follow the agreement and assess a $0 fine plus court costs sentence you to 1 day Bear County Jail. You get credit for time served, the time and money run concurrent. And you have paid restitution to both complainants. So the court finds that your judgment is satisfied. Is there anything further from defense?
No, Your Honor.
Anything further from the state?
No, nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Adriano, I have followed your agreement, so that means you do not have a right to appeal. I want to wish you the best of luck, sir, and hope you stay well. And so best of luck to you. This hearing is adjourned. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I neglected to say that these cases run concurrent.
Yes, Your Honor. Maybe we be excused, Your Honor.
Yes,